club isn't the best place to stalk a lover, so the gym is where I go. That is where I spy on you when you box. I pretend I box also. I've got a weird obsession with the shape of your body. This creepy song is all about that. Like your hands, nose, the shape of your ears, it's and throat, and the shape of your mouth. And now I'm singing like, what size are your boxing gloves? Show me your handshake.
Hold on, what? Excuse me.
Come on now, just let me see. I may be crazy, don't mind me.
Say boy, your head is messed up. Don't touch my waist, why are you measuring me?
Because I love your body.
OMG, you are a freak.
I'm in love with the shape of you. I made a body diagram too. Your stomach is real flat and smooth, and your butt's running wild.